Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and happy Tuesday. I hope you all had an amazing day today. I do want to let you know that heading into your Wednesday or your day tomorrow, we have a risk for severe weather in our area. It includes our whole entire area. We are under a slight or a level 2 out of 5 risk on the SPC scale, which obviously is not the highest that it can be, but then again, it's not a 0 or a marginal 1 out of 5 risk. So that means that, especially throughout the afternoon hours of tomorrow, we need to be weather aware. We need to have that way to get a warning, God forbid one is issued. Let's time out all of this weather for you here in our Futurecast, starting this out right before your lunch hour. And at this time period, I do not think that anything will be in our area, but let's head past your lunch hour towards your early afternoon hours, and pretty much our whole entire inland part of our area will be tapping into a lot of rain, maybe a few rumbles of thunder, and that risk for severe weather, while Horry and Georgetown counties, you are in the clear. But that's not going to be the case as you head deeper into your afternoon, say as you were heading home from work or from school. Some very heavy showers and possibly maybe a few rumbles of thunder, and that risk for severe weather impacting parts of Georgetown, of the Pawleys Island, Murrells Inlet, of the Garden City, Myrtle Beach, North Myrtle Beach, points due north of that as well. That'll be your chance for severe weather. And while it's still going to be raining in parts of Marion, Florence, Lake City, and Kingstree, I do think that west of Horry and Georgetown counties, by this time period of the day, the severe weather risk will be over. Let's head past 6 o'clock towards 7, 8, and 9 o'clock at night. I do think that there will still be a few lingering showers around, but by this time, the severe weather risk will be completely over. So bottom line, from around maybe 2 to about 6 or 7 o'clock in the afternoon, our whole entire area will be under that risk. But as soon as these showers push off our coastline, our severe weather risk will be over. As far as our main threats go, the primary threat is a very small risk of a damaging, not a damaging tornado, a very small risk of an isolated and brief tornado, as well as a few damaging wind gusts as well. There's no threat of any sort of hail whatsoever, and there's no threat of flooding at all either. It will be a very windy day though, to say the least. Winds will be gusting anywhere from 30 to 40 miles per hour, with isolated gusts possibly topping out at around 45 miles per hour. So with that being said, it's probably a good idea to put that trash can in your garage, because if you don't, there's a pretty good chance it will end up in your neighbor's yard. And let me tell you, there is nothing good can come out of having your trash can or your trash in your neighbor's yard. So just trust my advice before you go to bed tonight. Put your trash can either in your garage or in, that little fence thing that you have next to your house, because with wind gusts upwards of 40 to 45 miles per hour, that can definitely send your trash can into your next door neighbor's yard. As far as how much rain we could see from this system, considering it's going to be in and out of here within a few hours, I'm not expecting all that much in the way of rainfall, maybe anywhere from 3/4 of an inch upwards to an inch. But once again, this thing will be in and out of here before we know it, and after that, we'll be left with probably sunny skies as we head into your day on Thursday. So bottom line, or an overview of your day tomorrow, temperatures a lot warmer than they were today, topping out in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Mostly sunny or probably sunny for your first half of your day, with that chance for some thunderstorms and possibly even a severe thunderstorm coming towards your second half of the day. Once again, I think that our severe weather risk will be completely over as we head towards around 7 or 8 o'clock tomorrow night. It's your 10-day forecast along the Grand Strand. Beyond tomorrow, much better weather arrives in our area. But if you are a fan of temperatures being above average near 70, take advantage of temperatures being so warm tomorrow, because as soon as this cold front comes in here, we're going back into the 50s, and that'll last us through Saturday. We have our next weather maker arriving towards the second half or the end of your day on Sunday, with a good chance of rain coming overnight this upcoming Sunday. But before you know it, we're back to somewhat drier weather for next week. But those temperatures, they're going to be above average once again come next Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, topping out in the low to mid 60s. Is your forecast as you head further inland. Beyond tomorrow, much drier weather returns to our area. Once again, if you're a fan of summer weather, take advantage of temperatures being in the 70s tomorrow, because come on Thursday and Friday, you know it, we're going back down into the low to mid 50s. We return back to the 60s for your Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, with very small rain chances beside overnight on Sunday. Keep it here at Leams Weather for all of the latest information.